Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can enter your coupon codes on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I'm currently using the PC version, or the web browser version, right here. Now, you can use the mobile version as well. It will be located in a bit of a different spot. However, you will be able to locate it pretty easily regardless of which platform you're using. So, I'm going to show you guys for the PC version. However, I will be going through the mobile version as well. Well, at least talking you guys through it. So let's get right into it. Now, on the PC version, you just need to go into your orders and account and then go ahead and click on coupon codes. And then you'll be able to access your coupon codes. You can click here to enter the coupon code and click apply, and that should activate your code. Now, once you do activate it, it'll be on unused. Excuse me. But yeah, it'll be under the unused tab, and you can list through all of your unused coupons right over here. And on the mobile version, what you need to do is click on the U tab at the bottom, and then you'll be able to access it from there. You need to just click on coupons and offers once you get there, and then you'll be able to use the enter coupon code space to type in your coupon code similar to here. Click on apply, and that should be pretty much all you need to do to enter your coupons on the mobile version as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.